Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how you can convert an MOV video to MP4. MOV and MP4 are the most popular video formats. However, MP4 videos are more compressed and smaller in size. You can convert MOV to MP4 with the help of VLC Media Player, which is a free software, or you can use a free conversion website. Method 1. Using VLC Media Player. Launch VLC Media Player. Click Media and click Convert Save. Click Add and select the MOV video which you want to convert to MP4. Click Convert Save. From the Profile drop-down menu, select H.264 MP4 option. Click Browse and choose the location where you want to save the MP4 file. Give a name to the MP4 file in the file name text box. Don't forget to type .mp4 at the end. Click Save. To begin the conversion, click Start. Wait for the file to get converted. Once converted, your MP4 file will be downloaded in the chosen location. Method 2. Using conversion website. Copy and paste the link given in the description below and hit enter. Click Choose Files and select the MOV video which you want to convert to MP4. Wait for the file to get uploaded to the conversion website. Once uploaded, click Start Conversion. Your file will be converted to MP4 and downloaded in the Downloads folder. That's all. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you found my tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified about my new uploads.